JT Thorpe first started back in 1906, and since then has grown to be the largest industrial fireproofing contractor in North America.
We have several projects that come in and out of here. For the last 3 months, we've been producing well over 200 tons of fabricated steel. So we get 200 tons of steel in, 200 tons of steel out per week. Everything we've got behind us right now is an actual intumescent fireproof coating. An intumescent coating will actually intumesce when it's exposed to fire, and that intumescent char will protect the steel, it'll insulate the steel from the heat of that fire. The most important part of that is to save lives. It allows them time to get off the structure and get to a safe distance away from that fire before a catastrophic collapse. So the basics of applying an intumescent coating, the blockouts would be installed first so that the coating can be installed exactly where you want the coating to be installed. The majority of them do receive a reinforcing mesh at approximately mid-thickness of the lining, and you will either seal that or you'll apply the next coat depending on how thick that layer is.
We take our job very seriously. We need to provide a quality product. Graco's equipment allows us to do just that.
We utilize the XMPFB. We have 8 of these machines in service that allows JT Thorpe to utilize all types of intumescent fireproofing.
Intumescent is a 2-part epoxy system. There's a very specific range of Part A to Part B. Those have to be well within that range.
Ratio insurance, especially for any coatings product, is very important. It's very important that the 2 components, especially for epoxies, are mixed correctly. With the Graco system, it allows us to do that with ease and confidence. What the pump operator will do is dispense material from both the A and B side. He'll then weigh those 2 beakers onto a scale. Once he confirms the weight of each, he'll input that information inside the system. It'll easily identify if it is good, passable, or if it fails. The system would then stop to ensure that we have no off-ratio material mixed onto the actual steel substrate.
A big part of what we do is we control our quality through our procedures, through our processes.
We know that we want to put out a quality product to our customer. That's what we want to do in the end. The XMPFB system allows us to do that. We know that we're getting a reliable equipment. We know that we have 0 time shutdown during production.
Our pumps are continuously churning out millions of pounds of product. With Graco, we know that we can depend on them every single day. When we come in every shift, we know that they'll be working and performing to the level that we need.